folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today we hear what a hexagonal drum sounds like.
Barb Makes Things!
The ongoing Dodecahedrum saga now has several pentagons and a hexagon. Whoop. As with the pentagon drum, I milled the pieces for attaching the drum head on the CNC. Once again, there's the top hoop, which provides even pressure on the drum head hoop. The base, which braces against the bottom of the drum shell. And the drum head hoop itself. I cut some mylar to wrap onto this hoop, and then stitched it on. I cleaned up the excess and then added holes for the threaded rods. Initially I did this with a knife, but then I realized it would be much easier with a round file. Turns out that buying pre-cut bolts or threaded rods that are 4 inches long is at least 2 to 4 times as expensive as just cutting them yourself. So I cut them myself, cause I can do that. Used the horizontal bandsaw for that, and then I cleaned up the ends on the bench grinder. The hex holes I cut on the CNC are intentionally snug. So I hammered nuts in and then added my 4-inch threaded rods. And started assembling my drum. I was so excited to have this hex drum put together, and then
I measured the threaded rods before I cut them on the original one, and I stacked them up, and they barely peek out the top of just the drum head part, which is not far enough. My best guess is that I made this drum head tighter than the previous one. It won't go down as far, so I can't get this top piece on top to hold it down and attach wing nuts. There are a lot of different ways I could fix this. I can make the pockets for the nut holes deeper. I could sand down the drum shell. I think my best bet is gonna be just to recut the threaded rods longer.
this is another good reason for cutting your own rods. 4.5 inches doesn't require another trip to the hardware store or online order delay.
Four and a half inches.
I'll probably put some Loctite on these bottom nuts eventually. All right, let's hear it. I have pentagons, I have hexagons. I am not certain yet whether I will try to do additional shapes or just do more of the same. But I am gonna have to start making some of the other percussion elements that I wanna have included. Like a cymbal and a wood block. Cowbell would be kinda cool. What are some good percussion instruments that I could add? If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.